Ladies and gentlemen, Basil and Will with Grayson Hobby. We have an exciting new 2025 version of the DW Hobby 600 and 800 millimeter wing. Over here.
I know if you watched our last video, we talked about how we had to switch over to the XT30 connector from the inferior JST. Guess what? We got them changed to XT30s from the factory for you.
Exclusively here at Grayson Hobby. In this video, we unbox to double check, trust but verify. The XT30s are in there and no longer the JST. And for fun, we hook it up to a watt meter and actually see how many amps these are pulling. And surprisingly, the old JSTs are pretty much at their maximum capacity or maximum
rated capacity.
Where can I get these servos, Will?
GraysonHobby.com or in store. Today we want to talk about something new that we have here at Grayson Hobby. So you've seen our video on the 600 millimeter wing.
Did you see that?
And we also have the 800 millimeter version as well. One thing in our last videos talked about how I had to change the connector over to XT30 from the inferior, infamous JST connector that is absolute crap. For those of you who don't know, JSTs have been around a long time, but they are by far antiquated. The XT30 is a much better connector, capable of 30 amps continuous current, whereas the JST is good for maybe 5, tends to wear out, gets oxidation on connectors, extra resistance, less power, less performance, and just a junk connector.
And I've had mine in the past where maybe not on this
the
one.
Pins bend.
The pins bend,
yep.
and yeah.
The newer batteries, typically you'll find them easier in the XT30 format for micro drones and all that. It's very popular, very cheap batteries. The JST ones tend to be more expensive for some reason, I guess because they're not making as many. So what we've done is we've got DW Hobby making us an exclusive with the XT30s pre-installed. So let's check this out here.
Let's see if it really does.
Oh, yes, they did. Okay. XT30 connectors on their 10 amp speed controls. And obviously, we have our bullets pre-soldered from the factory. Then you get your servos for the plane. So this is a plug-and-play combo again, with the props and everything in there. Let's check the 800 millimeter, make sure that is also the case. Where's the electronics? Oh, they're there. Okay. Scared me for a second again.
Yep,
we got the bigger servos and XT30 on a 10 amp. So now we have no longer have to worry about, hey, the batteries we have, you have to cut the connector, solder to an XT30. You just buy the plane, get the XT30 battery, plug it in, you're done. And then I'm going to go down the runway.
Just to show you, we're going to run this guy in a watt meter. Right? Well,
you put it on a watt meter.
Yeah. So we're going to see the amp draw on the XT30. I don't suspect this is going to run any higher than 4 to 5 amps anyway on the 2S.
Yeah, this motor system is actually very efficient with the factory 55 prop, or 5030 prop, sorry.
All right, we got the watt meter set up here.
Try to put it where you can see it.
So Will's being so nice today, making sure I can read it. This is the toolkit watt meter?
Yes.
All right, well, explain how this watt meter works here.
All right, so what we're doing is putting a watt meter in line. It's going to tell us the voltage and amperage under load on this guy.
So the watt meter plugs into the...
Yeah, so we got your battery, and it is looped around. I've just got to rotate it so you guys can see it in the video. And then it's going to run into
that goes out. So the current's going to flow through this, obviously.
Yes. So your static voltage with your servos moving and all, you can see the servos draw, about half an amp or so. And I keep that in mind, total amp draw. If you're flying around, you're pulling about an extra half amp. Now, this is a very efficient setup with the 5030 prop. If you happen to prop it up, stuff like that, granted the motor's only rated for so much, but this is going to show that we're pretty much not going to lose any current loss under the load on this one. So this one, this factory setup's only pulling about 5 amps, and I think this one tells us max 5.4 amps, 44 watts.
And technically, what is the JST rated for?
I believe the JST is actually rated for 5 with a max of 8, but it's only like 50 cycles of connections or something like that. Yeah. These are gold-plated connectors, so they're much more efficient at connection.
Yeah. So we are running at the maximum amperage on a JST. Yeah. And we are not even at...
We're not propping up. We're not doing anything crazy on it. This is just the standard stuff.
And a quick question, what is the math for 5 amps on a 30 amp? What percentage is that?
Now, given a JST is rated for 5 amps, we were pulling basically 100% of its rated maximum. The XT30 is rated for 30 amps. We're only pulling 5 amps again, so we're under 20% of its maximum amp draw. So you're going to have very cold wires. You're not going to have heat. You're not losing power to heat in amp draw issues, which is really nice because now you're going to have a cool, efficient setup. Everything's going to come down. This motor sips the battery, so you get a nice long flight. Come down, recharge it, get going again, so you can just keep charging that battery over and over as you land without having to let it sit down forever, because the battery, again, these little batteries come down like ice cold with these things.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
These are exclusive for Grayson Hobby for 2025.
Yes. And then, guys, comment in the description below. We are thinking about something, possibly changing up the rainbow flying wing. I have a lot of guys ask me if we can get this color scheme in the 800 millimeter as well instead of the asymmetrical stuff. We have asked DW, but if you guys have any ideas, comments, let us know in the description below or in the comments below what you think we should possibly try to do. Should we do like a red and a blue, a green and a red, something like that, 2 different colors, combat, racing, stuff like that.
Ooh, like a red one and a blue one.
Yeah, thinking a two color combo for those of you guys that want to do like racing and stuff like that with it.
Yeah.
I think this is a perfect opportunity to make a 2025 change to the rainbow flying wing.
Yeah.
We want an 800 millimeter wing, not the rainbow.
Right. And unfortunately with EPP, you can't put stickers on here. So
yeah,
these are silk printed at the factory. So.
Yeah.